Hi there, students. On the ropes. Okay, this is an informal idiom. It means it looks like you're going to lose. You're doing badly. You're likely to fail. So my team is really on the ropes here. They're 2-0 down with 10 minutes to go in the game. I don't think they're going to win. His business is on the ropes because business is not good at the moment. It looks like it will go bankrupt. Okay, so to be on the ropes, to be in difficulty, to be close to defeat, to be close to ruin. The defenders really look like they're on the ropes. Yeah, they're on the verge of defeat, on the verge of collapse. They are helpless. The defendant in this case is really on the ropes. It doesn't look like he's going to win. So you use this about a person. Somebody's on the ropes, or the government is on the ropes, or the opposite team is on the ropes, or the industry is on the ropes. Yeah, in a desperate position. Yeah, near collapse. Yeah. When the bank refused the loan to the company, they looked even more on the ropes than they were before. So they're on the verge of defeat, or on the edge of defeat. Yeah, notice on the verge of, on the edge of, the same. Okay, so origin of being on the ropes. To me, this really comes from boxing, where one boxer is in trouble and he's forced back onto the ropes. The ropes are the enclosure that go round the outside of a boxing ring, and one boxer has been forced back and he can't move backwards any further because the ropes are behind him and the other boxer is beating him. Okay, this phrase has been used probably since the 1920s. I think on the ropes, I think this is slightly informal. I'd probably give it something like a 4 in formality. Use it informally, semi-formal writing, semi-formal conversation, but definitely not very formally. So yeah, so if somebody's on the ropes, they're in a desperate position. It looks like they're not going to succeed. They're very near to being defeated. Yeah, they are defenseless. So the economy is on the ropes. It's near collapse. It's near ruins. Okay, so yeah, he's on the ropes in this situation. She's on the ropes in this situation. It looks like her attempt is not going to succeed. I think very, very common in all sports, but the origin is from boxing. Yeah, a tennis match. I don't know. He's 2 sets down, and his opponent is serving for the final set. He's clearly on the ropes. It doesn't look like there's any way back for him from here. Yeah, so he's desperate. He's close to defeat. Okay, so yes, he was always trying to undercut the prices of his competitors, but that made his business less and less profitable, and finally he ended up on the ropes. Yeah, he finally was on the ropes. So, for informality, from boxing. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. On the ropes.